It is official. Cannon McIntosh is the winner of night one of the 2020 Chili Bowl Nationals. Cannon, is this what dreams are made of?
Yeah, I didn't think we'd be picking up the win tonight at all, but this KKM team put together a great race car, and it was on rails all night. The Toyota Tulsa Sod Mulch car. I mean, I've never driven a car like it, and it was great all night. They were a really good team behind me, not putting too much pressure on me when I had lots of pressure on myself. And I got to thank my family because I wouldn't be here without them. So it's just a night to remember.
From the fans' perspective, it did not look like you made one mistake. Do you feel that same way?
Yeah, I definitely made some mistakes there towards the middle of the race. I could tell Tyler was catching me. I could hear him and see him on the board getting closer. And they're kind of towards the end, I slowed my pace down and got back going again. And that last restart was a little scary there when he threw that slider. I just stayed in it and went split through the middle of him and Aaron, and it worked out there at the end.
What does this say about not only your team but your equipment?
It just shows that our team can make good drivers. As much as his team can. Also, it's just good that my dad can have drivers for the Chili Bowl, and just put me in one of the best cars here that's won the past two Chili Bowls. And I wouldn't be here without Cody Cordell with just setting that race car up every week this whole last year. And we got great cars, and Keith Coons definitely has great cars also.
Can you do it again on Saturday?
I think we definitely have a chance. We won a prelim night, so it's just gotta have a good week, relax a little bit, and then come back Saturday and go back to business.
Well, congratulations. I know you had everyone in the stands on their feet. That is Cannon McIntosh, night one of the 2020 Chili Bowl Nationals feature winner.